To identify 9 or 12 lead motors, begin by counting the number of wires coming out of the motor. Motors typically have either 9 or 12 leads. Next, locate the common terminals. Common terminals are typically labeled COM. For 9 lead motors, there is one common terminal. For 12 lead motors, there are 2 common terminals. Then identify the armature leads. Armature leads are typically labeled OR ARM. For both 9 and 12 lead motors, there are 3 armature leads. Identify the field leads next. For 9 lead motors, there are 2 field leads labeled F+ and F. For 12 lead motors, there are 4 field leads labeled phone, F2, F3, and F4. Some motors will have brake leads. Not all motors have brake leads, but if present, they are typically labeled BRK or brake. Always check the manufacturer's datasheet. Refer to the manufacturer's datasheet for specific lead configurations and terminal assignment. For 9 lead motors, the terminal C is for the common connection. The terminals A on ATWO and A3 are for the armature. The terminals F+ and F are for the field. For 12 lead motors, the terminals CON and C2 are for the common connections. The terminals A on ATWO and A3 are for the armature. The terminals phone and F2 are for field 1, and the terminals F3 and F4 are for field 2.